Nightlight H13/9008. LED headlight bulbs.
350% brighter, equipped with high luminous efficacy CSP chips. 10,000 LM/pair, 350% brighter than standard halogen. E1H13/9008 LED headlight bulbs ensure the clarity of vision, allows drivers easy to react to sudden movement, effectively illuminate wildlife, falling rocks, and obstacles. Huge improvement for road safety. Ideal beam pattern, Nightlight. H13. LED bulb features 0. 12-inch slim LED chips distance design that almost can emit 360 degrees. Illumination angle. Super focused beam pattern as stock halogen lamp. No dark spots or glare to oncoming drivers, avoiding scattered light problem to ensure safety. 50,000 hours lifespan. A combination between aviation aluminum heat sink and 10,000 revolutions per minute. Silent cooling fan design for an optimal heat dissipation. Efficient cooling system speed up. Heat dissipation to ensure 9008 LED headlight bulbs, superior performance, lifespan up to 50,000 hours.